Alright guys, so let's do our last video before we do an exam prep, because so far what we've done is we've done chapters 1, which is just basically the 4 different types of reactors, which would be, hope you guys remember, is batch, CSTR, plug flow reactor, packed bed reactor. Okay? In chapters 2, they introduce conversion, the symbol X, and you do all your calculus using X. Chapters 3, they do reaction rates, different formulas, where they come from, the Arrhenius equation, all this kind of stuff. And then in chapters 4, which is the one I just covered in the previous video, it's basically nothing but ice tables. And in between all of this, you'll be dealing with the Dam-Kohler number, I believe. So I've done some videos on that, and you deal with the expansion factor, done things on that. So I think you should be ready to go, except for one extra little thing, and that's what this video is going to be about before we start doing problems. It's about how to relate reaction rates. It's actually a chapter 3 concept. So in other words, you have negative RA over A equal to negative RB over B equal to positive RC over C, RD over D. I just want to go over real quick, not capital D, sorry, lowercase d. Let's go over real quick on how we get this equation. It's actually not too bad. So we look at negative RA, and I want to say, how is that related to the disappearance of B? Right? Well, it's related through the stoichiometric coefficients of A over B, right? So if you divided A to the other side, you end up getting this. Right? So you got this a little bit. Now let's relate, I don't know, negative RA to positive RC, the formation of C. Well, then again, it's going to be C over A, right? So divide A to the other side, right here, and you end up getting RA over little a is equal to positive RC over C, because it's the rate of formation of C. And then you get this, right? And if you do that analysis over and over again, I don't know, for negative RA, it's going to be A over D to positive RD. You would have gotten negative RA for A, RD over D, right? So if negative RA over A is equal to RD over D, but it's also equal to RC over C, also equal to negative RB over B, then you can get this equation that we've written up here. I'm going to highlight it in evil red. There we go. You get this equation. So that's how you get that equation. I thought I'd do it real quick, just so if you ever get stuck, you know, it might come to your brain in a test going, okay, well, I can relate them like this, you know, with this simple analysis. Okay, see you guys next video, and let's do some problems for that mighty exam coming up. It's usually has a low grade for the first time around, but if you know how to do ice tables, which is really the bread and butter of it, I believe we'll be okay. Alright, see you guys next video. Let's do this.